Hi, this is Himanshu, and we're going to talk about basics of high level. As we know, Go High Level is a widely used CRM and automations tool for the marketing purpose. And trust me, I'll give you enough knowledge which you can use for your Go High Level system and for your clients as well. Now, what is a Go High Level? Go High Level is a combination of a lot of automations tool which you can use for your client or for yourself. If you are agency owner, you will get a agency view, and there will be sub accounts for your customers. So you need to create a sub account for your clients. Now, without wasting a time, let's jump on a screen.
All right, so here you can see my screen. So this is my fresh account, by the way. Let me so this is a agency account. Okay, so switch to agency view. So okay, you can see the screen over here. So we are switching to agency view. All right, so this is my agency view. Step and Grow is my agency name. Now I'll show you. We'll go through all of these options and I'll give you the enough information about that. So agency dashboard.
I have already configured, but I just need to reactivate it from the backend. So yeah, that's why it is showing this message. And on this dashboard, you are going to see, and on this dashboard, you will see how many sub accounts, how many customers you do have, and what is your revenue. This is no brainer actually. So we are not wasting our much time over here in these options. Next is prospecting. So this is really nice. I know we all need a leads for our business. So we know that now we all know we need a leads for our business. So say for example, what I have done over here. So there are two accounts, two prospects I have found. One is Honey Bliss Salon, one is Goldman Dermatologist. If I talk to this client, this is the chances 55%. I can convert them. For Goldman Dermatology, it is 51%. So it's very simple. You just go here, add a prospect, and write down, say for example, restaurants New York, restaurant New York, or yeah, here it is, restaurant near New York. So you see, you will find a lot of businesses over here. Now you just go through each business and you can download a report directly, you can send them, and if they are interested, you can jump on a call and you can close them. So this is the prospecting section, and this is my favorite section, by the way. This is sub account. So this is the area where you can create a sub account. So if you have any clients coming, you can create, like I have created. This is one of my clients. This is my account. All right. So yeah, you just need to add that details. So add a sub accounts. If your client is from automotive niche, you can create from here, or if you want to create it from scratch, you can go here and you can start it. It's not a big deal. So let's jump on a next section, which is account snapshots. Okay, let's pause here. What is account snapshot? So for a Go High Level, it's a terminology snapshots. What does it mean? So say for example, if I'm working for any travel industry, for any client, definitely I'm going to set up some automations for them. And if it is working, and at the same time, if I do have a second client, I don't need to reconfigure it in a second client's account. I can just copy paste it from my first client. I think it makes sense. If it doesn't, okay, I'm gonna create a one separate video on that because it is a really interesting part. This is a reselling part. So Go High Level is giving you the fantastic opportunities. So this is what you can resell to your clients. I'm just giving you one simple example. Say for example, WhatsApp. Go High Level is providing WhatsApp automation, and Go High Level is going to charge you just $10. You can charge $30, you can charge $40 to your account, not for your service. Okay, it is just a tool subscription, so it's easy to resell and you can make money. Add-ons. So there are a lot of things which you can add on actually for you. Now again, this is if you are a freshers or you are just starting off, I think this is of no use for you, because you need to learn a lot of other things, and once you become a pro, you will get to know what is this. So I'm not jumping over here. This is affiliate portal, so you can generate your affiliate link and And if you want to become an affiliate for Go High Level, you can become. You just need to share your affiliate links to your clients or someone who want to buy a Go High Level tool, and you will get some benefit out of it. I think Go High Level is giving 40% benefit as an affiliate. This is a template library where you will have a lot of templates available, but unfortunately you won't. Okay, yeah, this is not available in basic plan, by the way. You need to go for 497, but trust me, you don't need to use this templates, ready-made templates as of now. If you are a marketer, okay, try to build something from scratch where you will get a lot of good experience and you will become a pro, and then you will enjoy using ready-made templates. I'm sure you won't go in such a situations where you will be dependent on ready-made templates, because your customer will need you to create something fresh which is not available anywhere. So I really prefer creating something from scratch. Even all the automations I have built for my clients is from scratch. I haven't copy pasted from anywhere. But yes, you can take a reference from snapshot. But yes, if you have serviced one client, say for example in a gym, say for example in a fitness niche, and you do have other clients, you can copy paste that snapshots, because that automations you have created, not other person. Okay, so this is a partner sections, and it's a really good actually. So you can find a partner, program partner. So okay, let me click on here, find a partner. Okay, so there are a lot of people you will find over here. So you can take a help from any of these people. So this is the partner sections, and you will be redirected to this page where you will find a lot of Go High Level experts. So you can take a help wherever you need from the experts. Go High Level is really nice, helpful, man. So this is Go High Level University, and you need a separate username and password. Okay, let's jump on a SaaS education. Now, what is SaaS education? As we know, Go High Level is a SaaS product. You should go through this section actually. I have already gone through, and you will get some fantastic informations. Okay, so or you will get to know like how you can resell this Go High Level to your customers. I think that makes sense. This is a GHL Swag. So if you want to buy any products, you can buy it from here. It's like e-commerce stores, man. This is the idea. So once you start using the Go High Level, I'm sure you will have some feedback for the Go High Level, or you want to learn something. So there are a lot of things available over here. Yeah, there is no rocket science with these options actually. This is a mobile app. This is a new feature. If you want to use Go High Level as a mobile app, you can do that. This is the app marketplace. Now this is what I call Go High Level is ocean. You can integrate a lot of third-party app with the Go High Level. So you can create a one package for your client, and you can give a best service to your client. I think this is really interesting actually. I've been using Zoho, Zapier for my clients, and also I'm integrating Go High Level. So it is really a fruitful and time saving for them. This video was just to give you information about the agency view, like what are the options available. Next is sub accounts. Okay, so you will get a lot of options like conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, AI agents, marketing, automation sites, and a lot of things. So that's it. We are ending this video now. If you do have any questions about Go High Level or any kind of integrations with any kind of marketing tool, you can reach me. My email address is himanshu@stepandgrow.com. It doesn't matter if it's Zoho, Zapier, Go High Level, or Lamlist or Apollo, or any kind of integrations you want to do, any kind of automations you want to build for your clients, you can buzz me on himanshu@stepandgrow.com. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.